Maybach music.
So there's a pretty high chance you've actually seen this editing style used in a bunch of music videos or edits, so I definitely recommend to stick around for the whole video and actually learn this very valuable style. But also guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Povikas and I am the creator of the most popular Opium presets pack, which has over 30 Opium effects that you can easily drag and drop in After Effects and get the Opium effects instantly. So I'll definitely recommend to check out the Opium presets pack and I'll leave a link in the description for it. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Alright guys, so in After Effects I already have my clips placed out of kencarson, and at the start we can make the most important part about the style, which is the actual grungy look. So to do that we can press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer, and now go to effects and presets and type add grain, and just take this effect and drag and drop it to the adjustment layer and make the viewing mode to final output because we actually want to see the grunge effect. And here I love to go to color and I like to make it to monochromatic because the grunge style literally just usually has like black and white or just very few colors. And I also like to make the size to 0.4. What I love to do is make the aspect ratio to 3.6, and now the grunge is starting to look a little bit different, a bit more crushed, I guess we could say. I just really like how that looks. And what you can do is just like literally go on the add grain effect and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. So it's just going to double the impact the effect has. And now another really important effect I believe for the style is NTCT RS. Now this is a free plugin, so you should really just go and download it. Like, it's super good. So again, just drag and drop it into your adjustment layer. And yeah, I usually don't really change around much, but I just turn off the snow because if you turn up the snow, it's going to look like this. So let's just have that complete 0. And I like to turn off the head switching and tracking noise. I don't like that little bar there. And what you just genuinely need to do is just go scroll down a little bit. Let's just scroll down to the bottom and check on scale of video size. Now if you want to crush this look a bit more, you could make the horizontal scale a bit more, and that would actually look pretty cool, but I just like to keep it on 1. And again, go to the NTCTRS, press on it and press Ctrl D. I also like to duplicate that. I think that actually looks super dope. And another effect I like to add is hue saturation. Now this effect I add to just desaturate the look, so it depends on how many colors are in your video, but here I'm gonna desaturate it like a little bit, like maybe minus 48, something like that. I don't like it when there's a lot of color in the video, and already that looks really cool. But now I'm going to pull a bit of a trick right here. I don't really know if like literally anyone uses this trick, but it's super cool. So look what you have to do. You can go and add the effect called transform, and here make the scale to just 10. Now that's going to scale like that, and that might look weird. So what we can do is press Ctrl Y again, and here we can add another transform. But this one we need to make the scale to 1000. And now it's going to be super damaged. I mean, the whole look is just going to be really messy, really damaged, exactly as the grungy Opium look should look. Like really low quality, just so crushed. And we can also press Ctrl Y again. And another quick thing I like to do is I like to add motion tile to actually add like the black bars. So it's going to be 80 for the output width for me. It just adds these dark bars. I really like them. And just look how crazy this effect looks like. I mean, look how it looked before the effect and after. And now to actually make the style look more Opium. Now the Opium style, what I mean by Opium style is literally like the kencarson grunge style, the most popular grunge style in the whole music video editing space. Well, it's to make this just super dark. That's how we're going to make the Opium style. So below all of these effects, you can press Ctrl Y to make a new adjustment layer and go to effects and presets. I'm going to remove that. And here I like to go to animation preset, user preset, and I love to use my Opium presets pack. I mean, it's super easy to use. Just look how easy it is. All you do is just take any preset you want, like Opium 10, and drag and drop it into adjustment layer, and you will get this dark kencarson look, pretty much exactly how the kencarson effects look like, just like that. That looks super like gothic, you know, like just a super edgy look. So like for the first clip we can have it as the Opium 10. Actually, I'm going to name it to Opium 10. Now we can delete it on this clip and press Ctrl Y to add another adjustment layer. And here I want to show you just like, for example, just the first Opium effect. So let's just drag and drop Opium 1, and this is how Opium 1 looks. I mean, that is insane, exactly like the effects you see in the kencarson music videos. Wow, I just absolutely love these effects. So yeah, I mean, you could just keep dragging and dropping these effects. There's over 30 of them, but one of my favorite parts about this whole pack is actually the text effects. So let's just go on and make a new text effect. So like below everything, you can go to the T tool and just press on it. And here we can type something like grunge. And I love to use this font called MB for overall. I think it looks super dope. and it's a completely free font, so you really should use it. And what I like to do is I like to hold Control and double press on this pan behind tool. So it's going to center out this point right here, and I'll go to align, press on here, and press on here. That's going to make things a bit easier with the text. Now I'll just press S and scale this up a little bit. So I'm gonna have this at 610, and I'll uncheck this, and I'll make this to like 1000. Now you could just have it like this, but there's a way better way to do this. You can go to effects and presets and just add any of these, like for example, Opium text 2 v2. Now you can keep, of course, the Opium 1 effect on top of this, but we can delete the adjustment layer, like delete that. And this is how this Opium effect looks. That is insane. Super edgy and like a very Opium style. I also have Opium glitches, which lets you glitch through. I have analog horror effects. I have accurate recreations of the Opium Freestyle 2 music video, and just a bunch more in this presets pack. So I'll leave the Opium presets pack linked in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. But anyways guys, that's about it for the video, and if you would like to learn more about how I make crazy Opium effects, then I'll have a video pop up somewhere here on the screen so you can easily check it out. But anyways, it was fun. Have a great day guys. See ya.